If you build homes, you should be aware of Energy Star. And if you haven't heard about Energy Star, then you probably have seen this symbol. Energy Star has become the most notorious symbol for energy efficiency products. And they also have a program called Energy Star New Homes Program for Builders. It's an initiative designed to encourage energy efficient construction in new homes, which will reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Today we're going to be going through 5 benefits for those who join the Energy Star New Homes Program for Builders. Number 1, market recognition. Homes built to Energy Star's new home standards are awarded a nationally recognized Energy Star label by the government of Canada. And did you know that 88% of Canadians recognize the Energy Star symbol? Number 2, program flexibility. The Energy Star New Homes Program offers 2 flexible construction packages for builders. One is Performance Path, which uses energy modeling the home using NRCan's energy modeling software. The second is Perspective Path, which includes several builder option packages depending on your provincial location. Number 3, enhance customer satisfaction. Not only can we guarantee the customer an energy efficient home, but we can also guarantee that they will save hundreds on their energy bills. Did you know Canadian buyers say that 3 of the top 10 must-have home necessities are energy efficient products? Number 4, join a growing market. You can become part of a growing market of builders, suppliers, trades, and utilities that are changing the way that we build homes here in Canada. Number 5, supporting and learning opportunities. As a member, you will have access to expertise in building science, training, and overall support. And did you know that in 2014 alone, Energy Star products and homes saved energy equivalent to taking 66,000 cars off the road for 1 year? I encourage you to join the Energy Star New Homes Program for Builders and take advantage of the many benefits. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know about your experience with Energy Star products and homes, and leave any suggestions for any future energy efficient videos on this channel. And as always, stay cool, my friends.